Hey guys, this is Stephanie and thank you for tuning into my channel once again. Today I will be reviewing the December High Maintenance Kit that I received in the mail, and this is what it looks like. This packaging, the first time I received the kit, I fell in love with it. They do a pretty awesome job with the packaging. And I love it. I love the brightness of it. Red is one of my favorite colors, so yes, love it. Okay, so let's open it and see what we have. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to show you is the Originals by Africa's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner. This has extra virgin olive oil. It's a treatment for weak, damaged hair. Let's see. Well, let me show you guys what they look like. Sorry for the glare of my ring light. And of course, I have to smell it. It smells really good. It has a very soft scent to it. Not too strong. And of course, I would get conditioner in my lips. It feels like it has slip, but we will try it today. The next product is also by Africa's Best, and this is Maximum Strength Extra Virgin Olive Oil Moisturizing Growth Lotion. This is a natural conditioning treatment, and I guess you can use this for styling your hair. It can be used on wet or dry hair, so that's pretty cool. Again, it has a very subtle smell to it. It's not a very strong, but it's good. And I will be trying this today as well. The next product is it's from iBlossom Hair Essentials. It is a growth stimulating oil. Improves blood circulation, full of antioxidants, enriched with vitamin E, healthy pH level. And this helps lock in and seal moisture. This is cool. And this is what it looks like. I wonder if it has a smell, a scent to it. Of course I can't open it. There we go. It smells very good. Next, I got a Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coils pick. Might as well use it now. See how my hair fluffs. I can never have too many of these. I love them. I got a shampoo bar by Juicy Essence, Simply Natural. Now, I've never tried a shampoo bar. This should be interesting. It has olive oil, water, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, organic palm oil, shea butter, fragrance, castor oil, organic aloe. Okay. Again, this is by Juicy Essence, and it's a shampoo bar, and it's cherry and almond. It's interesting. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry, the glare, but okay. And I got some packages from Aunt Jackie's. I have the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. And then I got the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. And I got 4 of these. Because one of these little pouches won't do with this hair right here. Okay, so I am going to wash this hair, and I'm going to try the olive oil deep conditioner, and I'm also going to try the lotion, the olive oil moisturizing lotion. So yes, let me wash my hair and I will be back. Stay tuned.
Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end. I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left. You and I were over. Me and you are done. When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know it's no one's fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how I add it up, 1 + 1 is none. You've been on my mind for a while now, trying to get you off cause this ain't right now. You said it was a vibe for the time being. It was nothing more but I just couldn't see it. This is not a song for the whole world. Felt like it could have been us against the whole world. Baby, you were mine and I was your girl. Whatever happened to the time that we spent sober? I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end. I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left. You and I were over. Me and you are done. When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know it's no one's fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how I add it up, 1 + 1 is none. I've been at this party for some time now, sipping on Bacardi till it runs out. You are in the corner with your head down. I don't even wanna know what that's about, cause you're the one that's always getting too wasted, and I'm the one that's never that intoxicated.
So I'm going to deep condition and steam this side. I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes, maybe less. I have something to do around my house, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll be back for styling. Catch you guys later. Hey, so I am back and my hair feels so soft. I have added the leave-in conditioner that I also received in my high maintenance, and it's the little packages that I got from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This one is the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This one says Ultra Hydrating Deep Moisture Therapy for Parched Tresses. This is what it looks like. And I received 4 of these, and I used 2 because I have a lot of hair. And man, I like it. My hair feels so soft. It has so much moisture. I don't know if you can see.
1 + 1 is none. I've been at this party for some time now, sipping on Bacardi till it runs out. You are in the corner with your head down. I don't even wanna know what that's about, cause you're the one that's always getting too wasted, and I'm the one that's never that intoxicated. Tonight that I'm in my feelings, oh I'm faded. But I don't wanna think about the complicated. Oh, young love got me feeling like I can't get up. Wishing for it, but it never lasts. I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end. I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left. You and I were over. Me and you are done. When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know it's no one's fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how I add it up, 1 + 1 is.
Hey guys, so I am back from diffusing. Sorry if my face is a little bit red. I was literally diffusing for like 45 minutes. Okay, so the flaxseed gel, really good. It did not shrink my hair as much. See, it kind of looks like I already fluffed my hair with my pick, and I haven't. This is just right. I literally just finished diffusing my hair, and my curls are a bit elongated, which is really good. There is no hard gel cast. So the flaxseed, I thought it was gonna be kind of hard while I was drying it, but as my hair dried completely, no gel cast at all. So I'm happy about that. So now I'm going to pick my hair, and I'm gonna use my new Aunt Jackie's hair pick. So wait, before I pick, I'm going to massage my scalp a little bit with this iBlossom Hair Essential Growth Stimulating Oil. So I'm going to massage my scalp with this oil that I received as well in the High Maintenance Kit. Just a little bit, maybe like 1 or 2 drops. 1, 2, maybe 3. Get it warm in your hands.
When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know it's no one's fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how I add it up, 1 + 1 is none.
So this is my result from using every product in the December High Maintenance Kit. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye.